The Union Budget 2025 is here, and here are my key takeaways. Number one, big relief for the salaried classes and the middle class taxpayers. We have been talking about how urban consumption has been squeezed and people are unable to buy and invest because of the tax burden, and now the finance minister has delivered. In her speech, the finance minister announced that those earning income of up to rupees 12 lakh per annum effectively do not have to pay any taxes. However, there is a certain explanation required here. Next week, the finance minister will table the new income tax bill in parliament, and these are the proposed rates for personal income tax. 0 to 4 lakh per annum will not attract any tax. If you are in the bracket of 4 to 8 lakh per annum, you will attract a 5% tax. 8 to 12 lakh is 10%, 12 to 16 lakh is 15%, 16 to 20 lakh is 20%, 20 to 24 lakh is 25%, and above 24 lakhs is the standard rate, is the highest rate in fact of 30%. As per the new tax rates, if you are below 12 lakh, you will on paper still attract a rate of 5% or 10% depending on the bracket you are on. However, as the finance minister explained in a speech, you are applicable for rebates, essentially making you tax-free till up to 12.75 lakh per annum if you are a salaried middle-class person. This includes 12 lakh in income plus 75,000 in exemptions that you are eligible to. So up to that level, you essentially at the end of the year may not have to pay any taxes if you file your income tax returns on time and you claim the rebates. Number two, the budget has come good on the promise of deregulation, which was touched upon in the economic survey. The finance minister eliminated 7 indirect tax rate slabs for customs and duties and rationalized and simplified basic duties and basic customs across the board. Number three, there were also a lot of promising announcements on tech, emerging tech and startups. The finance minister allocated rupees 20,000 crore for research and innovation in the budget. There will be a deep tech fund of funds. And also for startups, the credit guarantee cover has been increased from rupees 10 crore to rupees 20 crore, with the guarantee fee being moderated to 1% of loans in 27 focus sectors. There will be a new fund of fund for startups as well, with expanded scope and a fresh contribution of another 10,000 crore and a center of excellence for AI. My last takeaway is that the budget was presented very much keeping the upcoming Bihar elections at the end of this year in mind. Bihar has been in fact mentioned 6 times in the speech, more than any other state. The Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced a Makhana or a Foxnut board for the state. She announced a National Institute of Food Technology, Entrepreneurship and Management, a new greenfield airport, and a new canal project for the state. These are my key takeaways. Stay tuned for further updates.